everybody. This is part 2 of the auction preview. The auction will be taking place right here on YouTube this coming Saturday, February 12th at 7 p.m. Eastern. This first piece is a 20 by 20 gallery wrapped canvas titled Red Dawn. And it is quite a dramatic piece. No bling in this one. But no less of a statement piece. Beautiful shade of red. Lovely contrast. And again, this is a 20 by 20 deep edge gallery wrapped canvas titled Red Dawn. This is one of my favorites. This is titled Tidal, and it is a 16 by 20 canvas. Let me zoom in for you there. You can see what's doing. This one took quite a long time. I basically worked it until it couldn't be worked anymore. But I really love the overall effect of this. And again, this is a 16 by 20 called Tidal. Here we have a 12 by 12 titled Zinnia. If you have the Fluid Art Inspiration cards, you will recognize this piece. This is one of the cards. And let me see, the glare on this is brutal. But it is a very vibrant piece. And again, 12 by 12. Called Zinnia. This is also a 12 by 12, and this is also in the Fluid Art Inspiration cards. This one is called Delicacy, and it is a very, very pretty piece. I was quite smitten with this one. Again, a 12 by 12 titled Delicacy. Okay, here we have another 20 by 20 deep edge gallery wrapped canvas. This one is called Bubbling Bordeaux. And boy oh boy, does it bling. All of the bling. Some cool 3D action going on in those boulders. And these pieces, especially the metallics, it just doesn't do it justice on the camera. Again, this is a 20 by 20 deep edge canvas titled Bubbling Bordeaux. Here we have a 12 by 24 deep edge gallery wrapped canvas titled Rainbow Leopard. Some very cool multicolored cells going on. I love this area. Those are my favorites right there. Very sparkly. This one is titled Rainbow Leopard, and it is a 12 by 24 gallery wrapped canvas. Here we have a 14 by 14. This is also in the Fluid Art Inspiration cards. This one is titled Fancy. I love the shimmer in that blue. It is so pretty. It has so much depth, that metallic blue. Just gorgeous. And again, this is a 14 by 14 titled Fancy. This is also a 14 by 14 that is a member of the Fluid Art Inspiration cards. I loved how this piece had that black lacing in the center. And then the sparkles are super sparkly. I will say that there was a texture to this painting. I think it came from the red, where there's a bit of bumpiness in it, and there was nothing that could be done with that. But the overall effect is beautiful, and you can't really tell unless it's just hitting the right way by itself. Hanging on a wall, I don't think that would be all that noticeable. But I will price it accordingly. But it is super blingy. Crazy bling on this. Beautiful contrast. And this, what was this called? This one is called All That Glitters. And it is a 14 by 14. This is an 18 by 24 titled Mermaid Daydream. Loads of sparkle. Just a blingin'. Very soft underwater feel to it. I just love all this sparkle. Love it. I don't know if y'all know this, but I really like metallics. And again, this is an 18 by 24 titled Mermaid Daydream. And here is one that was part of the Splash series. This is an 18 by 24 titled Rainbow Splash. For obvious reasons. These Fluid Art Impressionist pieces always look better from a distance than they do up close, because it's kind of a trick of an eye, like a Monet painting. If you look at a Monet up close, it doesn't look like anything, but when you pull out, the effect is pretty cool. So again, this is an 18 by 24 titled Rainbow Splash. This is a 20 by 20 gallery wrapped canvas titled Deep Diver. Very peaceful piece. There is bling happening. The camera is not picking it up the way I would like, but these are all metallics. So it has a bit of a 3D effect to it, especially if you are walking by. It kind of changes with the light. And again, this is a 20 by 20 gallery wrap canvas titled Deep Diver. This is a 20 by 20 gallery wrap canvas titled Pretty in Purple. It has that folk art treasure gold antique copper in it, which can be copper or purple depending on how you look at it. Very, very pretty piece. Lots of sparkle. I really loved these colors together. If I can get in on this a little bit, might be able to show some of that sparkle. And again, this is a 20 by 20 gallery wrap canvas titled Pretty in Purple. All right, another 20 by 20 gallery wrapped canvas titled Blue Bubbly. Lots of bling, very cool 3D action. The camera's going crazy with the blue. It's getting confused. Very 3D effects. No shortage of bling. I just love the way when these metallics blend, how 3D it looks. And this again is a 20 by 20 gallery wrap canvas titled Blue Bubbly. This gorgeous, gorgeous piece is a 20 by 20 gallery wrapped canvas titled Cocoa Puffs. It's really hard coming up with new names, you know, when you've done hundreds of paintings. I try to not repeat anything, but very cool 3D effects on this. Loads of sparkle. And it's making it too dark. That brown, the background brown, that brown is a much lighter brown than what is showing up on this camera. It's not, it's more of a milk chocolate color than it is this dark chocolate color that you're seeing. Don't know why the camera has such a hard time getting these colors right. But very 3D. I loved this piece. I was so happy with how this one came out. And again, this is a 20 by 20 gallery wrapped canvas titled Cocoa Puffs. And finally we have Red Giant. This is a 20 by 20 gallery wrapped canvas. You can tell I had some fun with the Bordeaux red. This is red. It's not looking red, but that is the Bordeaux red. Why does the camera do this? Again, gorgeous 3D effects, tons of bling. Really, really sparkly and pretty, and the camera is getting confused. And again, 20 by 20, gallery wrapped canvas, titled Red Giant. I thank you for tuning in to check out this auction, and please do come back on Saturday, February 12th, 2022 at 7 p.m. Eastern to check out the auction and help a sister out, because I don't want to have to move all of these. I'm already going to have to probably get a storage unit for all of my inventory. But there it is. Please do come back on Saturday and share with your friends. All of that good stuff. I hope y'all have a beautiful day. Now, go make some art.